Welcome to our BAPS 2022 Business Autopilot Summit, right? This is going to be the business summit to show you how to automate your business, how to free up your time, how to get your business to make the same amount of money or more money while you're away from the business, right? I've done a training on something called EMT, which is entrepreneurial, manager, and technician. We're going to show you how to implement certain things in your business so that your business will run whether you're there or not. So there's a lot to unpack in this training. I'm not going to do that in this video because I want to keep this video relatively short. If you don't know who I am, I'm Robert Dunbar, lead coacher and trainer with TBD Coaching and Training. And guess what? I've got some guests, coaches and trainers that I'm collaborating with this project. So the first person that I'm going to introduce is going to be Miss Sharon Leary from Peak Performers. She has a coaching and training company where she specializes in coaching women over 40 that are in sales. So she's going to be doing a great platform during this BAPS 2022 summit. So if you're a woman in sales over the age of 40, it's going to be great for you to get involved. And guys, guess what? We've got 3 generations of trainers and 3 generations of training. So we've got Generation X, we've got the millennials, and we've got the baby boomers. All 3 different generations are going to be training on this BAPS 2022 summit. It's 4 days long, guys. May 19th through May 22nd. It's going to be 16 hours of hands-on intensive coaching. And we're even going to be doing 5 individual trainings that are going to be free leading up into the summit starting April 20th. So Wednesday, April 20th will be the first one. So how do you get involved in those, right? Right above my head, if you click that link, right, that just came out there, click that link, it'll show you how to register for the 5 individual trainings that we have that'll be going on. You click that link and you can register for all 5 at one time. If you miss it, don't worry about it. We'll be recording it and we'll get it sent out to you. So take advantage of those trainings that will prepare you for our business autopilot summit, right? Remember those dates, right? If you don't remember them, look below right here. Right now, you'll see May 19th through 22nd. We're going to be doing that Business Autopilot Summit, guys, and you'll be able to register by clicking any of the links that you see when this video ends. There'll be a link with the logo. You can click on that and you can register, right? Or you can register below this video. If you're taking a look at it on YouTube, you will get a chance to see that there's a link that you can register for this course, for this training, this 4-day Business Autopilot Summit. So who else do we have going to be training with you guys? So let me go to another young lady. She's a millennial. She specializes in Instagram Reels, right? She is going to show you how to demystify social media. So if you're saying, look, I'm middle-aged, I'm older, or I'm a young person that doesn't understand how to run my business on social media, Miss Ariel Simone, right? The name of her company is Your Millennial Coach. She is going to be coaching and training you all on how to turn IG Reels to convert your leads into actual customers. So she is going to walk you through the app and show you everything Instagram. So for the social media people who are saying, look, I need to get better, I need to market there, Ariel Simone, Your Millennial Coach, is the person that will do that. So if that's what you're interested in, she'll be on this platform training as well. This will be a live event. And guess what? You cannot do the things that I'm going to bring to the table, which is going to be organizing your business, automating your business, doing tutorials on things like Asana task management, Google Drive, Google Task, Google Calendar. We're going to show you how to synchronize these things, how they can run all on their own, even when you're sleeping, right? Even when you're taking care of the children, even when you're doing things like actually running your business, those things can be happening. I'm going to show you how to have multiple inboxes in Gmail. I'm going to show you how to send out multiple emails at one time. So if you're saying I'm still bootstrapped and I can't afford to have a MailChimp or a MailerLite or any of these other mail services, I'll show you how to do the most you can with the Gmail, how to use Workplace to create an email address that's professional, that doesn't say Gmail on the end. So we're going to talk about all those different things And then you've got your 5 trainings that I talked about that are going to be free. So again, guys, you can click that information link you see up there, right? The little I button, it'll show you how to register for those free trainings that get started before the Business Autopilot Summit. So what I was saying to you was, what I'm going to show you, what Ariel Simone's going to show you, what Sharon Larry is going to show you, you can implement all those things, but we all know that sales is psychology. We know that running a business has to do with you understanding mentally where you need to be at. So of course we brought on one of my business partners. Me and him have a training and coaching company together called GPS Life and Business, right? And why is that? Because some people need life coaching and business coaching at the same time. So my business partner, Mr. Harold Branch out of Phoenix, Arizona, who has branching out services where he does life coaching and specializes in family and mental health. This gentleman is going to be coming on board and getting you mentally ready to run your business with a program called 360 Success, where he's going to be showing you how to be winning in all areas, right? He's going to talk about triggers. So if you guys are familiar with print and being triggered and making bad decisions or reacting instead of responding because you've been triggered, he's going to show you how to manage your triggers in that training as well. So Harold Branch is going to be training with branching out coaching services, right? Where he does life coaching. We're going to have Sharon Larry, who specializes in women over 40 in sales with peak performance. She's going to be training on sales automation. She's going to be doing email script writing. She's going to do task management as well. She's also going to do a tutorial on Calendly so that you can learn how to do a booking site on Calendly. I'm going to show you how to do a booking site on Acuity. All these things are going to be happening, live tutorials right here at BAPS 2022, guys. So look, it's $199 to get involved. Of course, when you register below, you'll see it down there. If you're one of my coaching clients already, if you're one of Sharon Larry's coaching clients already, if you're one of Harold Branch's coaching clients already, if you're one of Ariel Simone's coaching clients already, please go to me or one of them, if that's your coach, and they will give you a discounted rate because you're already part of one of their programs. If you are not part of one of our programs, it's $199 one-time payment, or you can break that up into 2 payments of $99.50. You have that availability as well when you click the landing page, which is in the link below. You click that landing page, or when this video ends, you will see 2 more videos you can take a look at talking about this same conference here, this summit, and then you'll also see a little box with the logo for BAPS 2022. And if you click that box, that will allow you to register either at the $199 or the $99.50, 2 payments 30 days apart. So guys, there's going to be a lot happening in this summit. Of course, I didn't tell you everything. I didn't tell you everybody's topics because I want to leave something for the trainers to train on, right? But I do want you to understand that you've got 3 generations of trainers, 3 generations of training. All the trainers and coaches have their own coaching and training companies. And we've come together, collaborated to create this BAPS 2022 Business Autopilot Summit, guys. You do not want to go through the rest of your year without getting involved in this summit. For all of those who've taken summits before, you've done things for your business to help it grow, you know that $200 is nothing but a drop in the bucket. It's a very inexpensive summit to get involved in, and not many summits will give you 2 payment options. So get yourself enrolled now. We're only accepting 100 people. So understand it's limited seating, right? We're only accepting 100 people, and there's over 20 people already enrolled in this summit. So there's about 80 seats left. So I really suggest that you get involved, and you'll see at the end of this video, you'll see a quick outro that'll show you that anything you purchase through TBD coaching will give you a money back guaranteed 100% if you're not satisfied. But keep in mind, when this training is done, you are going to get every single training that we've done as an individual video, a module, because you'll be able to log in, right? So when you pay your $199 or your $99.50, our system will have you log in and create an account. You will have in that account uploaded every single training video we did, even the 5 free videos that we're going to do, 5 free trainings that we're going to do that are going to be 30 to 45 minutes every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time, where all 4 trainers are going to do a 10-minute training, right? A quick tips 10-minute training every Wednesday for the next 5 Wednesdays, starting April 20th, right? All the way up until the conference starts on Thursday the 19th. So that last training, I believe, will be the 18th of May, right? So get ready for this conference, right? Get plugged in. Make sure that you're looking at the emails to let you know what's happening. Make sure you're prepared, right? It's going to be 4 days. Thursday is going to be 2 hours. Friday is going to be 2 hours. Saturday, 6 hours. Sunday, 6 hours. So on the 19th of May, guys, it's going to be 2 hours. We're gonna run from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock Eastern time. On Friday, we're going to run from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock Eastern time. On Saturday, we're going to run, this is Eastern time, guys. On Saturday, that because we know the West Coast people want to get involved and we don't want it to be too early for them, right? So we're going to do 11 o'clock, right? 11 a.m., which means it's 8 o'clock in the morning on the West Coast, right? 11 o'clock Eastern time, we're going to start training and we're going to run up until about 5 p.m. on Saturday. And then on Sunday, we're going to start running at about 1 o'clock and run until 7 p.m. Eastern time. That way, if you're on the West Coast, it'll give you a chance to get up in the morning and do whatever religious things you want to do and still get plugged in. Now, remember, if you've got something else going on those days, you can still listen to the recording because we're going to send you the raw footage, the raw recording immediately after each day, but then you're going to have a more organized module setup that you can keep forever. So I promise you, I've been doing this a long time, guys. So for those that don't follow me, you may not know, I have been doing summits and goal setting trainings and individual trainings and coaching for a long time. $199 to have this information for life, $199 for 16 hours, 4 coaches that all have their own coaching and training companies. Guys, we are over delivering and undercharging. So get yourself enrolled, get yourself registered in this summit. I'm Robert Dunbar with TBD Coaching and Training. We look forward to seeing you this coming Wednesday for our first free event. So remember the information up here, click that, get registered for the 5 free Zooms that we're going to be doing to prepare you for the summit. Go down into the registration on YouTube and take a look at getting yourself registered. Go ahead and pay that $199 or that $99.50 on 2 different installment payments. Or when this video ends, go ahead and click the logo for BAPS and you will be able to register there. So signing off, look forward to seeing you guys all soon.